Hello YouTube family, welcome to my channel, the Insuredbrandlifestyle channel. In this video I'm about to make some old Bay Bbq Ribs. Real tender, real good, real juicy. Before I get started, Insured Brand, the official brand of the Insuredbrandlifestyle channel, link in the description. So this video I'm going to show y'all how I make my ribs step by step. This time I did Old Bay Bbq ribs. I cook on a gas grill. I do charcoal grill sometimes, but this time they're on the gas grill. I'm gonna show you how to make your ribs nice and tender on the gas grill. So we're about to get this thing popping. Stick around to the very end for my thoughts. So we're gonna go step by step in this video on how to make the ribs, and your ribs will taste delicious just like mine. Let's get this thing started, man. So I got the ribs, St. Louis style ribs. Now I got brown sugar, garlic powder, onion powder, red peppers for a little bit of heat, pepper. So I gotta grind the pepper up. Salt. Old Bay seasoning. If you're from Maryland, you know what it is. And olive oil. Put the olive oil on there. Now I got my rib. I rinsed my rib off. I got it on the cutting board. Now I'm about to add my season to it. First, I add the olive oil. I like putting the olive oil on there because it give it a little crisp taste to it when I cook it on the grill. Now I have my Old Bay seasons. Everything I do, I don't measure it out, I just eyeball it. Put enough seasoning on there to cover the rib up. I ain't gonna front, these ribs is hitting. Now, garlic powder, added garlic powder. Same thing, I'm just covering it. I want to make sure I cover the whole meat up with the season. Crushed red peppers. Get a little bit of heat, even though for me it ain't spicy. Put a little bit of crushed red peppers on there. Salt. Same thing, cover it up with salt. It ain't gonna be too salty. I know I'm messing up, but I put brown sugar over top of it to get this sweetness to it. Add the onion powder. See, I had the onion powder. I was doing the onion powder before the sugar, but I had the plastic off outside to add the onion powder to it. Then now you're gonna rub it in. You're gonna rub it in your meat. Get it in there, get it as best as you can. Rub that sugar, all the seasons in there. Rub it in together. Now flip it over. It'll be the same thing on the back end. Same ingredients. Oil. Old Bay season. So I had to do all the recording myself on my phone. Recording and then trying to cook at the same time. Garlic powder. Onion powder, again, all the same seasons. You want to make sure it's seasoned on both sides, top and the bottom. Crushed red peppers. Pepper. Brown sugar. Some more sugar on that bad boy. rubbing it in again. Get it rubbing it nice and good. Telling you, the ribs were hitting. So I've got it in the foil. I'm about to put it on the grill. But before I put it on the grill, I add barbecue sauce. While it's raw, put the barbecue sauce in there so I can get that barbecue sauce get into the meat. So I pour the barbecue sauce there. I rub it in there. Rub it in there. Then I'm done with that, I'm gonna cover it up with foil. I'm gonna close it up. Cover it up, foil in there real tight, so no steam can get out. So I got it foil. I got it covered in foil now. Now when I'm about to put it on the grill. I'm gonna cook it on the grill for about. So put it on the grill. I just put it on the grill. I cook it on the grill for at least about 45 minutes. 45 minutes to an hour at a low temperature with the foil on it. That's the gas grill. So about 45 minutes to an hour later, I'm took out the grill, right? I'm about to uncover it and put it on the grill regular. So I'm taking the foil off. You can see it nice and juicy. See that liquid from the pork? I'm gonna save that liquid and pull it into another container and save it for later. You'll see it later. I'm gonna save that later. I'm gonna baste it later with that liquid from the barbecue sauce and the pork. So I'll put it back on the grill. Now I'm about to add some barbecue sauce. I'm gonna start coating it. Put barbecue sauce. I'm gonna get it nice. I'm start letting it get nice and brown. Get a little crisp to it. When I put it back on the grill, I'll probably put it back on the grill for at least about another 15, 20 minutes probably. Keep on flipping it a few times. Now I got 2 ribs on it. That rib right there is jerk seasoned rib. It's a dry rub. I didn't just do a video for that, but if y'all want a video for that, just comment below. It turned out good too. So I flip that joint, looking real good. Add some more barbecue sauce to it. And the barbecue sauce on the bottom. Now make sure you sauce it up. I'm getting hungry just looking at this video, man. I want some more ribs. 4th of July this weekend. Might have to go buy some ribs and do it all over again. Get that sauce in there, let them drinks get nice and brown. Looking real good, real good. Like I said, put it back on that 15-20 minutes. So now I took the ribs off. You don't want to cut it right away. You want to let it sit for a little bit. Let it sit for about 10-15 minutes before you try to cut it, so the juices can stay in there. Now that right there is like the stop that when I had it earlier, and it was in the foil. I saved it for this part, so I'm putting that on there, make it more flavorful. So all the pork stock from the foil that was cooked in the foil, and I put some more barbecue sauce in there. So that finished product. Your ribs, nice and tender, meat fall off the bone. I will show you me eating them, but you know what I'm saying, I ain't do that. But they were really good, you know, family, we destroyed those joints. And we destroyed the other ones too. Looking real good. I'm hungry right now. I'm hungry, y'all, I'm hungry. But follow my recipe, like I said, yo, you gotta make sure you cover it in foil real tight. That's how I get nice and tender. The stock that's in the foil, you save that for later. Put it back on the grill. Make sure you paint it and everything. And you're gonna slice through it like you slice through butter with a hot knife. So if y'all like this video, y'all want some more of my cooking videos, whatever, go leave a comment below. You know what I'm saying? And you stuck around, man, please subscribe, like, share, subscribe, man. I'm out. Peace.